Since the Cold War, the U.S. has had a love affair with strategic bombers big, loud, and capable of ruining someone's day from halfway across the globe. Think of them as the flying equivalent of "Don't Make Me Come Over There." Legends like the B-52, B-1B, and B-2 strutted their stuff for decades, but even superheroes need a retirement plan. As enemies got smarter and radars sharper, it was time for a glow-up. Cue the B-21 Raider. Sleeker, stealthier, and more mysterious than your ex's new partner, ready to crash the party without ever being seen. Legacy of the Sky. To understand the significance of the B-21, we need to look back. The 1970s saw the birth of the Rockwell B-1, an aircraft meant to replace the venerable B-52. The B-1 aimed to fly at low altitudes, under the radar, at supersonic speeds to evade enemy defenses. But in 1977, the Carter administration canceled the project, citing the growing efficiency of cruise missiles and ground-based air defense systems. The program was resurrected in the 1980s under President Reagan, evolving into the B-1B Lancer. Though its top speed was capped at Mach 1.25, the B-1B gained superior defense capabilities and entered service rapidly with over 100 units built in just 6 years. Meanwhile, behind closed doors, a more radical concept was brewing. Engineers at Northrop Grumman were crafting a revolutionary aircraft under the Advanced Technology Bomber program. The result? The B-2 Spirit, a flying wing with cutting-edge stealth features, radar-absorbing materials, and a sky-high price tag. At over $2 billion per unit in today's dollars, the B-2 was a masterpiece of engineering and expense. Its performance was undeniable, executing precise bombing runs in Kosovo, Iraq, Afghanistan, and Libya. Yet, cost and complexity limited production to just 21 aircraft. Why a new bomber? Despite the B-2's success, time has not been kind to it or its predecessors. Advancements in radar, satellite surveillance, drone networks, and artificial intelligence gradually chipped away at even the best stealth capabilities. By the early 2010s, only about half of the B-1Bs were airworthy at any given time. The B-2, though technologically impressive, was too costly and delicate for wide deployment. The B-52, in contrast, remained in service thanks to constant upgrades. It became increasingly clear the U.S. needed a new bomber, one suited not just for today's challenges, but for the battlefield of tomorrow. This bomber would need to be stealthier, smarter, more versatile, and cost-effective. Thus, the Long-Range Strike Bomber Initiative was born in 2011, aimed at creating a sixth-generation air platform capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear ordnance, while also performing reconnaissance, command, and control missions. B-21 Raider. In 2015, Northrop Grumman was awarded the Long-Range Strike Bomber contract, having already proven its stealth design chops with the B-2. Determined not to repeat the financial bloat of the past, the company promised to stay within a tight budget. The result was the B-21 Raider, named in honor of the Doolittle Raiders, heroes of one of the most daring bombing raids in World War II. The B-21 was officially unveiled in December 2022 at Plant 42 in Palmdale, California. While it bears a strong resemblance to the B-2, appearances can be deceiving. The Raider isn't just a B-2.0. It's an entirely new beast built from a new philosophy: modularity, survivability, and adaptability. Design secrets of the B-21. The B-21 maintains the flying wing configuration, which is optimal for stealth. But unlike the B-2's distinctive jagged trailing edge, the B-21 features a smoother, more refined shape. This tweak, inspired by earlier ATB concepts, makes it better suited for high-altitude operations, enhancing its visibility range and communication capabilities while minimizing its radar profile from all directions. Another key difference: size. The Raider is about 2/3 the size of the B-2, which allows for better fuel efficiency and smaller radar cross-section. But don't let its compact frame fool you. This aircraft carries a punch. It retains truncated internal weapons bays, similar to the B-2, allowing for substantial ordnance and greater fuel storage. Even its air intakes, usually the Achilles heel of stealth aircraft, are deeply embedded within the body, a design challenge Northrop's engineers tackled with impressive finesse. This not only reduces visibility, but also helps preserve its radar-absorbing surface. Power and range. Although the exact engine model remains classified, it's confirmed that the B-21 has 2 engines, compared to the B-2's 4. This upgrade greatly improves fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Combined with its stealthy design and internal fuel storage, this makes the B-21 capable of executing intercontinental missions without refueling, vital in scenarios where access to forward bases might be denied. Given that current U.S. bombers are already performing 24-hour sorties, the B-21 is expected to surpass this benchmark, making it the most endurance-capable strategic bomber ever built. Armed for the future. One of the most thrilling aspects of the B-21 Raider is its ability to evolve with the battlefield. This is not just a bomber, it's a weapons lab with wings. Designed with open architecture, the Raider can be upgraded like a smartphone with missiles. Not apps, no need for complete rebuilds. Just plug, play, and unleash. Among its expected arsenal is the AGM-181 long-range standoff missile, a stealthy nuclear cruise missile designed to strike enemies from hundreds, even thousands, of miles away before they even know it's coming. But that's just the beginning. The B-21 is also set to wield hypersonic weapons, which fly at more than 5 times the speed of sound, giving adversaries virtually no time to react. Imagine a lightning bolt that curves around the Earth. That's what these missiles promise. And then there's the real sci-fi twist: directed energy weapons, or in simpler terms, combat lasers. We are talking about a stealth bomber that could one day shoot down threats with beams of pure light. Whether it's zapping drones or frying sensors, the future is less Top Gun and more Star Wars. The B-21 is not just a bomber, it's a future-proof flying arsenal, ready to adapt and dominate for decades to come. B-21 in the combat ecosystem. The Raider won't operate in isolation. It's designed to work as part of a family of systems, including the next-generation air dominance 6th-generation fighter, AI-enabled drone wingmen, and collaborative combat aircraft. This networked approach means the B-21 will not only drop bombs, it'll collect intelligence, communicate with other platforms, and even direct autonomous vehicles. This will allow real-time decision-making based on data streamed from multiple domains: air, space, cyber, and ground. The U.S. Air Force plans to invest $8.9 billion from 2025 to 2029 on drone wingman programs alone, reducing reliance on human pilots and expanding mission capability without endangering lives. Testing, production, and costs. As of 2025, the Air Force is flight testing its first prototype B-21, with 5 more under construction. Non-flying test units, gliders, are also in development to support aerodynamic and systems evaluations. The initial goal is to build at least 100 Raiders, with potential for more depending on geopolitical needs and budget approval. The projected cost per unit? Around $700 million, a significant drop compared to the B-2, yet still a major investment. Total program costs over 3 decades are expected to exceed $203 billion, covering design, production, and maintenance. What lies ahead? As the battlefield of tomorrow starts to look more like a sci-fi movie complete with AI-powered drones, hypersonic missiles, and laser cannons, the B-21 Raider is stepping in as the quiet, stealthy boss of it all. This is not just a bomber. It's basically a flying Batcave, coordinating strikes, dodging radars, and dropping threats like mixtapes. Can the U.S. really deliver 100 of these Sky Phantoms by the 2030s? That depends on budget debates, world crises, and whether Congress skips Starbucks for a week. But if anyone can do it, it's the Air Force with a shopping list and a dream. The Raider is not just a machine, it's a message. A whisper in the sky that says, "We're watching, we're ready, and we're bringing lasers." If you enjoyed flying through the future with the B-21 Raider. Don't just ghost us like a stealth bomber. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another high-flying update. Got thoughts, theories, or laser-powered dreams? Drop them in the comments below. We read them all, even the wild ones. Until next time, stay stealthy and stay awesome.